In this video, I am about to show you how to book a knowledge test online in Manitoba. First, open your Google Chrome browser and type Manitoba test appointment into the search bar. Press enter to see the search results. Now click on the link that says scheduling your knowledge or road test. This will take you to a page with detailed information on how to schedule your knowledge test. Next, click on the link that says mpi.mb.ca. This will redirect you to the Manitoba Public Insurance website. Once you're on the MPI website, look for the options to schedule a knowledge test. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one by entering your personal details or log in if you already have an account. After logging in, follow the prompts to select a date, time, and location for your knowledge test. You'll be able to choose the test center that's most convenient for you. Before finalizing your booking, review all the appointment details to make sure everything is correct. Once you submit the request, you'll receive a confirmation of your appointment with all the relevant details about your knowledge test. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.